Omugyera gwa Nyamwamba gutwire gurukoboga kandi abatura bingi baferirwe amagara gabo hamwe n'ebintu. Abebembezi abakire omwanya ogu nibagira ngo abatura aba omugyera gubogere obabire bahika rwagati yago.
It was overflowing, but then there was a very small gap in between which had not captured the much flow of the water. So it kept them in the middle of the river. So the chairman called the police, the rescue team, they came with a very nice and good drop. So the community around and the people around, actually, including police, helped to rescue these two souls.
One is called Mumbere Isaiah, aged 18 years, a resident of Mumbuzi Cell. Another boy is called Wambal Isaac, aged 16 years. He's also a resident of Mumbuzi Cell.
Polisi hamwe n'abatura bashabirwa kwegendesereza okwambuka omugyera gwa Nyamwamba omubwire obu obw'amizi gari mingi.
Because we are still in the rainy season and the month of May is usually when Nyamwamba River peaks in flooding or in rises in water. So we are still monitoring the situation to assess where the water could have come. Probably it rained in the mountains because it has not been raining in KASESE town.
So we don't know how it has come because here it has not rained, but it has rained somewhere at Kilembe. So we've been getting that challenge. When it rains Kilembe and doesn't rain here in town, we get floods.
Polisi negira ngo omuntu orakwatwe nayambuka omugyera gwa Nyamwamba nibaza kumukwata.
So it seems the water has come from the mountains and we expect that this kind of cycle will continue. So wananchi have to be very careful.
However, we also appeal to the government for concerted effort towards resolving this problem, because most of our community people around here, those from this shore of the side of River Nyamwamba, normally farm, they do their farming from the other side. So the only way to go to the other side is using this route. So I'm appealing to the government and also to our leaders here that we look at this issue with concerted effort to solve this particular challenge so that our people have what to eat, our people can access every basic need with ease if this challenge is worked on.
Gaashangire Muhanguzi.